All right, we're going to go ahead and calculate the surface area of the last rectangular prism in this practice. We have a lot of measures written here, but as you can see, a lot of them are the same. They're just showing those measures to you in different locations. So we're going to use our three colors again because we have three sets of identical faces. So you can start with whichever face you'd like. I'm going to start here at the top. You can see when I outlined in blue, I outlined this side that has a length of 7.4 and a width of 3.1. So I'll take 7.4 times 3.1 to find the area of that rectangular face, because that's length times width. I get an area of 22.94 square centimeters. Opposite faces are congruent, which means this face here should also be outlined in blue, and it has the exact same area, 22.94 square centimeters. Then I can find the measure of whichever face I'd like to work with next. We can go here with this one, outline it in green. The length is again 7.4. Okay. The width is the same as this side length here, 5. So I'm going to take length times width, 7.4 times 5, and I get an area of 37 square centimeters. Opposite faces are congruent, so these two faces should be outlined in the same color, and they have the exact same area. Then I'll take my last color so I can use it for my next set of congruent faces, which is these rectangles off on the side. The length and width of these is 3.1 by 5, so I'll take 3.1 times 5, which gives me an area of 15.5 square centimeters. My last step is to add the area of all 6 faces. I can do that by hand, or I can use the calculator. So I'm taking two sides that have a measure of 22.94 square centimeters and two faces that have a measure of 37 square centimeters and two faces that have a measure of 15.5 square centimeters. That all adds up to 150.88 square centimeters, and that's my surface area. On your Google form, you only had to enter in the numerical value of 150.88.